Hola chicas, we're just going to have a look at this comprehension on página 205, page 205, and it's just a little comprehension I'm going to ask you to do at home, okay? So here you've got consejos para prevenir la gripe, advice to prevent the flu, okay? La gripe is your flu, okay? So consejos, advice para prevenir la gripe. Anualmente se producen alrededor de 80 millones de casos de gripe y resfriados en España. So, annually, there is around alrededor 80 million cases of flu, gripe, or colds in España. Cada invierno, los cambios de clima y las bajas temperaturas pueden aumentar el riesgo de contraer la gripe. So, every winter, cada invierno is your winter, los cambios, the changes of the climate, y las bajas temperaturas and the lower temperatures can or may increase the risk of contracting the flu. A continuación, therefore, we recommend algunas medidas, some measures. Medidas is a measure, okay, de prevención que pueden protegerte del virus. Okay, so we advise some measures that can help you protect against the virus. Okay, first one we got here is lávate las manos frecuentemente con agua y jabón. So lávate is wash. Okay, so wash your hands frequently con agua, with water, y jabón, especialmente después de toser, after coughing or estornudar, or sneezing. Okay, and that's one of your words down here. Is it down here? No, it's not. It's not one of your words down here. Okay, I thought. Okay. Evita los cambios bruscos. So evita los cambios bruscos, like sudden or abrupt changes of temperature. Al salir a la calle, upon going onto the street, abrígate. Abrigo is a coat. No, abrígate means wrap yourself up. Wrap yourself up well. Come mucha fruta y verdura. So eat lots of fruit and veg. Fruit is your fruit, verdura is your veg. Para mejorar, to improve. Las defensas del cuerpo, the defenses in your body. Es aconsejable comer fruta rica en vitaminas, sobre todo vitamina C. So it's advisable to eat lots of fruit, rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C. Usa pañuelos de papel y tíralos a la basura. So pañuelo is like a handkerchief, okay? So use paper handkerchiefs y tíralos. Tira is to throw, so throw them a la basura, in the rubbish bin. Si no tienes pañuelos, usa la manga, okay? So if you don't have any tissues, use the manga, use your sleeve, para evitar la contaminación de las manos, the contamination of your hands, so get your hands covered. No compartas alimentos, bebidas, vasos, or cubiertos. So don't share any food, drinks, or food, drink, glasses, etc. Drinks. Don't share food, drinks, glasses, any of those things are there, okay? Cubre la boca. Cover your mouth. Y la nariz con un pañuelo. So cover your mouth. La boca is your mouth. La nariz is your nose. Con un pañuelo, with a handkerchief, cuando tosas o estornudes, whenever you cough or sneeze. Evita el contacto con las personas infectadas. So avoid contact with infected people. Permanece en casa. So stay at home si tienes fiebre y no vayas al colegio. So stay at home if you have a fever. Y no vayas al colegio. Don't go to school. These are all sound very familiar to us these days. Last point, duerme al menos, so sleep at least 7 horas por noche, 7 hours each night, para mejorar la salud, to improve la salud física, to improve your physical health, y evitar que bajen tus defenses. And this helps to avoid that you're like, if you don't get enough sleep, it avoids you from lowering your defenses. You know, your immune system will be better. Okay, so that was the comprehension. I just want you to try these questions. Now remember, if the pregunta es en español, la respuesta tiene que ser en español. So if the question's in Spanish, the reply has to be in Spanish too. Okay, so question 1: ¿Cuántos casos de gripes y resfriados se producen en España al año? So how many cases of flu and colds are there in Spain every year. So just put a little answer in Spanish there, okay? Dos, ¿qué factores pueden aumentar el riesgo de contraer la gripe? So what factors can increase the risk of, contracting the flu? Okay, so you're just going to look for factors. You can just try and get a sentence in Spanish. Tres, ¿cuándo es especialmente importante lavarse las manos? So, ¿cuándo? When is it especially important to wash the hands, to wash your hands? So you're just going to try and give the reasons why, okay, if that's in your text, in español. Cuatro, ¿qué deberías hacer al salir a la calle? What should you do? This is the verb deberías, this is the verb you should or you would. So what should you do when you go outside or you go out onto the street? 5. ¿Por qué es aconsejable comer mucha fruta y verdura? So why is it advisable, aconsejable, comer mucha fruta y verdura? Good job. 6. Si no tienes pañuelos de papel, ¿qué puedes usar? So if you don't have any tissue, ¿qué puedes usar? What can you use? So you can say puedes usar. That's how you'll start that sentence off. Puedes usar. 7. ¿Qué es importante hacer cuando toses o estornudas? So what is important to do if you cough or sneeze? 8. ¿Con quiénes deberías evitar el contacto? So who should you avoid being in contact with, okay? So you can just say just a little sentence for that in español, just so you can pick and choose out of the text. 9. ¿Cuándo deberías quedarte en casa? So when should you stay at home? So you just try and pick that out from the text again. Y 10. ¿Por qué es necesario dormir al menos 7 horas cada noche? So why is it necessary to dormir, to sleep, al menos, at least 7 hours every night? So what I advise you do is just I'll set this up in a little Google Doc. And just answer them in Spanish. Remember, the pregunta en español, request en español. So the questions in Spanish, answer in Spanish too, okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.